Good morning, everyone. My name is Janviere, and I'm going to present this video, which talks about the similarities and differences of insurance in Rwanda and United States of America. Uh, um, in this video, we are going to explore about what is the same in the two countries, and also what is different to see how they differ in terms of insurance. We are going to start with similarities. Mm, the first similarity that we can talk about is that in each and every country, that means in Rwanda and USA, there are insurance categories. That means that you cannot just pay insurance anyhow. There has to be a category. You're either paying for life insurance, maybe you are insuring yourself against some diseases so that you can easily access medical attention, or there is against vehicles. There are very many categories of insurance, and this applies both in Rwanda and USA. Then, in all the countries, there is definitely a cost for for the insurance. You cannot just be insured in a company without paying a certain amount of money that you're putting in there to help you, later on when that kind of problem that you're insuring against happens. Then, in both countries, um, when I mean, if let's say an example, if you've insured your car against an accident, or your house against fire, that's an example, and the fire does not happen up to the end of your life, maybe, if that's what I may say, you do not get reimbursed because what you insured against has not happened. So that money is not given back to you. Then, in both countries also, the process of requesting insurance requires a person to give their personal information, and also maybe the information that relate to the company they are insuring. If it is a company, you give the whole information about it, or if it is you yourself, you have to also give your personal information. Then, continuing to the differences. No, there is another similarity. You can see that in both countries, the what you've insured should be communicated in other way. It's not like you can give money and insure against anything. You have to specify that I'm insuring this house against floods, against fire, against what. I mean, it has to be specific. And also there are rules and regulations that guide um, the process of insuring, which is known to both parties, to the person who is insuring their properties and also to the company that is guaranteeing that insurance, which means this applies in both countries. Then going to the differences, uh, as we all know, Rwanda is not much developed as USA, which means the cost of insurance is different as well. That means in USA, they pay a lot of money more than in Rwanda. And also, the other thing is that very many people insure themselves in the US more than in Rwanda, because you see many people in Rwanda insure themselves against things that are kind of a must. Like, you have to give your insurance against your car, but if it was not a must, very many people would not do that, because people who insure their personal things are few compared to those in USA. Then we can also see that the categories are different, whereby in the USA, there are categories how you can access your insurance. You can either buy insurance or you insure your property, and you can also do personal insurance, which does not occur here in Rwanda. So those were the differences and the similarities. I basically got this information from different resources, but where I got most of the information was the balance, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.